Yay, what's up, everybody? What's up? Good evening, good evening. We are live. Sorry for the delay there. Ooh, it's a little hot in here, actually. I'm gonna open the window real quick. No dinner tonight. No dinner tonight. Not on stream anyways. What's shaking, Moon Boy? Hey, what's no dinner tonight, Kyle? I went out. I had Vietnamese beef noodle soup for dinner. Wayne, MNQ volume spike in the immediate background. Potential dip buying by the big boys. We'll see. I see that. Push down. Big wick. Pushed all the way back up to today's New York VWAP. Pretty hard to be bullish at the moment, though. We have a 1 hour bearish or bullish fair value gap below, and we got a couple on the 15-minute here. So we might be heading down. We might be heading down further. Just accidentally ate a whole bag of trail mix. Oh, geez. Whoops. Yeah, I think it's because of fire. Yeah, definitely because the fire's on. Cranking the heat in here. I'm done for the night. 2180 on the Asia session for me. Wow, nice job. Nice short, obviously. Let's hit the likes and make some money. Paul Memphis. Hey, long time no see, Paul. How you doing? Good evening. Dave, great long call this morning, 11 a.m. Nick held it, and we rode the 9 EMA up, up, up. Yeah, I know. That sounds like what Nick would do. Here, I think I choked that one out with the stop loss. I took 40 points out of that one, I think it was. Or did I? Was that the second one? Was that the VWAP bounce, or was that the one at the end of the at the end of the session? Maybe it was the end of the session there. That one I just took profits, I think, and Nick was still in that. Or maybe that was still the one that Nick was in from earlier. I don't know. But yeah, that was some nice VWAP bounce. That was here, this one. I entered there 318, and I ended up closing it somewhere over here 350. Unfortunately, look at that thing though. Hey, wow, big money, big money. Andrew Ripani, hey, how you doing? Good evening. Oh, the VWAP bounce, yeah. You smoked 5 evals today, like you passed them, right? Not blew them. I hope. I hope that means you passed them. Hey, Ryan Entourage, what's up? Good evening, buddy. Oh, you blew them. Oh, well, this is not what I want to hear. Come on. That is not what I want to hear. Why is this only showing one winning trade today? Is that true? Oh, the other one was in the eval, that's why. Yeah. I thought I took 2 trades though. No? Huh. Just trying to see. I thought I took two trades in my funded accounts, but I guess it was only in one funded account trade. Anyways, Not important. I've done some of the worst trading I've ever done in my life. Oh, damn. Sorry to hear that, bro. Jack Knapp NYC. Hey, hello. It's been a hard market. Yeah, with these, look at these moves. Except for this part. Looks like Nick rode this thing to heaven. Probably. Let's get some other tunes going here. Liven up the party. Let's go with the good old original. Where is it? Bass hits? Where's the bass hits? Why can't I find it? There we go. Takes more patient. It's been a hard market. Yes, it has been. Oh, did I take the other trade in one of the TPT accounts? Yeah, that's why I took it in the TPT account. Gotcha. I'd trade more if it wasn't for this job. Yeah, you're a busy guy. I feel like the price hasn't really done a whole lot since we found support here. Sitting right on that New York VWAP. 1400 in range today before realizing I was on my sim. Oh, that sucks. I've done that before too, like in the wrong account, been like, yeah, what a banger trade, and then be like, oh, that was an eval, or that was like, you know, in a sim account or something. Like, what the heck? Which indicator shows the levels on the left, the chart for trading view? No, that's called the book map. This on the left here is called the book map. So this is real live orders on the market. So it has nothing to do with prop firm trading. You know, it's real futures contracts. So it just shows the levels where the contracts are. It's a paid subscription kind of thingy. So it's about $80 a month. There's $40 for the platform and then $40 for the data. And then it shows you all your levels and you know, and what price is doing. There's also the cumulative volume delta there. We got order on the book here, which is current order book, and then the session range volume profile. Blue and this guy right here on the left. Yeah, so that's a visible range volume profile. Visible range volume profile. So that's kind of like if you want to keep track of your developing point of control. So what you do, how this one works is like, so if we wanted to scroll over here, you put only like the Asia session in here, and it'll tell you where the majority of the volume is, right? So most of the volume is actually on previous day's point of control here, but the dotted line right there shows where the most volume was on the current session. So you could go back like to the daily chart. You could like zoom out like this and like do it for the entire daily chart if you wanted to see where, you know, like your daily. So let's just say we take it from right around here, and then we can just let it load here, and it'll tell you where the point of control is long term. So it's interestingly enough, it's lining up exactly with previous day's point of control right now. So this is from like May 6th all the way till today, and it looks like our volume point of control is at 30,525. Is that actually, taking a look at this guy right here, look at that, huh? Really long-term trend line like this guy right there. That thing's looking pretty badass actually. Let's keep that on there. Or you can just look at, you know, previous day, including the Asia session. Still looking like our point of control is at 30,500 area. Hey, thanks, DAZRZY9RT. Hey, David. Agil? Welcome. How you doing? Oh, did I adjust the volume on the... Yes. I don't want to be blasting you guys' ears off on the vertical stream. So we got about 28 people watching so far. Let's pop into X and make sure that thing's all fired up good. Yep, the live is working. Now, I want to say that this is going to be our target, 30,200 area. But I'm going to need to see us get it below the 200 EMA to really be convinced, hey? Tim, hey, how you doing? Good morning, or good evening, I should say, sorry. Not good morning. Definitely a good evening. Three-minute is a dip buyer's last swing low. Yeah, it was a pretty nice little volume spike on that one, hey? Formed a big whip. That's why I'm saying, like, I feel like this 200 EMA is definitely a line in the sand, right? We can keep an eye on this fair value gap if we invert this guy. Maybe we can target 500 for a potential long, something like this guy. Stop below the 200 EMA. Risk to reward isn't great there, but I feel like we got to at least be at the lows here. So it's a 61 too. I mean, I guess technically we can target point of control. That's a little risky though. There's not a whole lot of space for profit in this trade. You thought we were going to break the highs? Yeah, I mean, at the moment, I think we got to be actually thinking more bearish. I was just taking a look at this. We do have the point of control above. So if we are below the point of control, I mean, technically, we should really be looking at for a bearish move. Maybe we're going to reject this fair value gap and go lower. So maybe what we need to do is do a short like this, target the lows, stop above this fair value gap. So it's like a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Not the best. I mean, really what I want to see is us get down into, maybe we can just front run this fair value gap. That's 136 points, but we got to kind of think, below the 200 EMA with a stop maybe above. This IB high shouldn't even be there. Let's get rid of this. This is old. It's old news. It's old news. Oh. When I was looking at the chart earlier, all I saw was this sideways action. I was like, oh, this is going to be a fun stream tonight, right? Are we going to even find any decent trades? I mean, what about this? What about this? Stop above the VWAP? I don't like it though. You know, it's like there's too much risk there and not enough reward. Even if we were to take this trade, like, what are we going to get? 48 for 50-point stop? I mean, I guess. So, I mean, technically, maybe what we need to do is maybe target this bearish fair value gap, stop above, you know, put it above 40 points. And then we target the 200 EMA, something like that. That gives us a 76 points to a 37-point stop. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. $40 to $75. I've been thinking about this, guys. This top one futures accounts. I'm thinking we still got the buy one get one free opportunity here. Get like 10 of these. 10 times 39. No, it'd only be 5 of them times 40. So $200. You can get 10 100K accounts. Now, if you pass 5 of them, you're gonna have a bit of a hefty 250 times 5. It's pretty expensive once you get to there, but but you can buy one get one free. So you spend $200, you get 10 accounts. Now, if you pass only half of them or less, it's pretty low cost. Then you just got to pay the activation fee, which is pretty hefty, but really get a lot of chances here. Can't see the volume. There you go. Need to see the boner volume histo. I kind of almost actually prefer this trade, guys. You know, wait for the VWAP, put a stop above the point of control, then we can target. Target down to the 200 EMA maybe? 50 to 91. That's a little bit better risk to reward.
Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly.
You're welcome, Wayne. You're welcome, buddy.
ATH tomorrow.
Other guy says massive crash incoming.
Trade debate. Auto sync.
Confused as hell.
Demo.
Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words.
I never got my nap today, guys. I'm feeling pretty tired.
The trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade.
Day trading with Matt. They got like wow, 1,000 likes and 919 people watching. Jesus. Maybe one day, guys. Maybe one day.
Nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And
Market maker positions revealed with rocket scooter. Keith Matthew, hey, hold on, let me call up the bot farm. Yeah, is that what it is? We gotta get the bot farm going.
And then the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck.
Come on, Gary.
It's probably the most profitable thing he did all week. Market Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph, Yo Jim Blab, Misk, the whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out.
A new 5-minute candle starting here.
Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders.
What happened?
Decisions.
Yo, Jim, what up? What is that, a scooter? Oh, scooter thumbs down? Really? Really?
It's supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
H tomorrow.
other guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there. Confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says.
Not a fan, yeah. Well, is this the scooter guy that's on right now?
Before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders.
Dave posted 3-minute MNQ downwave chart. Let me see.
Strategy back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then
Chart sniper?
self-control because one candle looked disrespectful.
Oh, there's a hawk.
Takes a grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once.
3-minute MNQ downwave chart.
Stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half.
What are we looking at here, though? Oh, what happened there? We don't need to be that big. There we go. Pretty strong buyers right there, hey? So is this, did you take a long here? Is this this little green arrow? Is that a long? And then a sell there? Or is that just an indicator?
That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex.
So that's CCI stochastics.
The Mustang trader draws the level.
Order flow cumulative delta.
Institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly. Bounces perfectly. Works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered.
And then we had somebody in general chat, Chart Sniper posted this.
Literally on the screen.
Look at that, bounced right off that low. I don't know if that gets printed after.
Emotional.
So target of 330,473 maybe?
In the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck. And honestly, it's
Frankfurter made a new song.
he did all week.
Slanting down 34 EMAs, not
Frank.
390 EMAs below 334 EMAs. Let me take a look at that again. Oh yeah, I see.
You probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade.
Frankfurter has the best songs. Yeah. Yes, he does make some good songs. A lot of Nick songs are all from him, right?
Decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions.
And those guys have 165K, 165,000 subscribers. How do I get to that level? Oh, dude, we got 1,610. Woo! Killing it. Killing it. 1,617. Raise the roof.
That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the disappointment.
We got to build the channel up to enter contests to gain the fame. What's that, like those big competitions? And get some big wins on those, like, whatever. Take a gold medal and in like a competition.
Self-control because one candle look disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with
Sure wish this would get over 440. Seems like it's pretty hard right now. We are in a 5-minute bearish fair value gap in this area here, Mr. Tim. We do have a bunch of contracts above though. Looks like 450 has some.
Trader, market butcher. Another Sunday.
You can't get over the 420, the hawk flies? Yeah.
Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret.
Yeah, those trading comps. Yeah, it'd be interesting. Maybe that's what we should do is, like, I don't know, try to set up a trading competition and then have like some accounts for giveaway. I don't know. Maybe that's not a bad idea. How do we put that together though? It's pretty challenging. I'd have to like partner with, you know, some sort of platform. And then they're gonna be like, "What? You got 1,600 subscribers, dude!" Like,
charts don't care about your feelings.
Lucid. Yeah. True. But it's like we need a platform, right? You know what I mean? Like you need like a trading platform, like almost like you need to go with Tradeovate or with, you know, I don't know. But I guess if you could get like Lucid on board, I'm sure they could get TradingView on board, right? Or Tradeovate, sorry. Ryan, how old are you? You look pretty young in the picture, but it's hard to tell from this. It's a pretty small image for me to see anyways. Just curious. Who's the one making the charts in our Discord? Let's perfect that, and then we'll fine-tune it and all win together. You're 36 and you have 5 kids. Really, eh? Wow. You've been a busy guy. And you live somewhere in the US, I guess? I'm assuming? Because if you're in Canada, it's pretty hard to have 5 kids. 5 kids is a fountain of youth, right? And virility. Yeah.
Market butcher, Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
Southern California. Okay. It's expensive. Yeah. I'm a general contractor. Nice. Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. California is expensive just like Canada. So strong like bull market. Strong like bull.
Another Globex.
Finally over 440. Yeah.
Another 1,000
You're in the long right now, Tim, obviously.
STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. EWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU. But you got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean MGC dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. 1 base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post the motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. STFU. VWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Market butcher.
Man, I really wish they could just like cycle through all the songs. Maybe if I take the loop off, let's try that. Let's see if it's going to change songs automatically. Or is it just going to go quiet after? That's the question.
We don't guess this FEG fill, then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. 1 fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FEG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on
jeez.
charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. 1 clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink 1 time, it will take it stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go wild when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause 1 wrong move and it's all gone.
VWAP at 30,487.19 now. Hey, Jaded, what's up? Good evening, buddy. How's your evening going? We don't know much about you, Jaded. Why don't you tell us where you're from? What you know? I see you got a picture of a nice, cute dog there. So you're obviously a dog kind of guy. Assuming that you're a guy. I don't want to get that wrong. Everybody, hey, what's up in the vertical stream there? We got about 7 people watching. If you want to join us over on the full-size stream, there's a pinned comment in the chat there. If you hit that link, it'll bring you over. Kinda gal? What? That's Remy. He's a healer. Catahoula cross. Nice. Yeah, what's kinda gal? Vintage base. Hey, Dave. So I grew my 50K funded to 70.6K. My second 1,500 payout got approved. Now I've been just taking really calculated trades for about 300 to meet consistency. It's actually very freeing. Oh, nice. Yeah, if you can, Nick's done that before too, where he's been in, in a really sort of like really big buffer in account, and it's pretty, once you have a huge buffer, it's pretty easy to like keep it alive, right? I live on an island near Seattle. Spent the last 18 years as a massage therapist. Nice. I'm a dog kind of gal. Okay, sorry. Then I just, I see Jay and I just assumed it was like Jay and then it was a play on jaded. So I just kind of figured it was a guy. So my apologies. My apologies for that. So you can kind of see where I got that wrong, obviously. Yeah, Ryan. Not a girl. Not a guy, sorry. It's a dope. You're not the only one, it's all good. Okay. So is jaded just like the nickname part, and then T is actually your real, and like a letter as your real name? Like jaded Teresa or something? Hectron in the house. What up? How are you? How are you? The T is what got added because too many other people use the name. Okay, gotcha. Makes sense. So you needed to add something to be able to get the name. You're Alice, like Wonderland. Nice. Good to know, Alice. Pleasure to finally know more about you. Let's put on some violin music here. Let's pump it up a little bit. Let's get some energy in the room. Are we gonna keep pumping here? Like maybe a target on the VWAP? This is what I'm thinking is I would like to get to the VWAP and then look for a short up here. I just feel like the risk to reward isn't really worth it here. I mean, this could turn around anytime here and head lower, but you know, like then our stop has to still kind of has to be above the point of control. So it's too much space, right? And if we end up like rejecting and then heading back and finding support at the 200 EMA, you know, the risk to reward isn't great there. I'm gonna see what the market gives me and figure it out. Still learning, only been at this for a year. Hey, well, sounds like you're similar to me at this point. Only been trading futures for about a year. I've been learning about stocks and, you know, YouTube, a university for trading since about 2018. Maybe the 80s are going to be the target here. It's reverting to the VWAP. Yeah, that's what I'm looking like. It looks like that's kind of why I'm thinking I'm going to look. I'm not going to just jump into a short as we get to the VWAP if we get there. I want to see some weakness showing up. We do have a bearish fair value gap here at 30,467 area. But it looks like a pretty strong recovery here so far. Just how far is this thing going to go is a question, right? So kind of first line in the sand is going to be here around the 470 area. And then after that, 480 area. No real pullback is this upwave in this upwave yet. Yeah, I know. Just we did flag out a little bit there for a bit, you know, a little bit of a flag, and then we're just kind of popping up here. $12 seconds here on this candle. Just closed my trade 460 for $60. Nice trade, Tim. Good job, buddy. I just been pulling a 10-point long all the way up. Got out, got back in, got out, got back in. Nice. That's good. So we do have some orders here at the 56 area. 56. Maybe we're going to get a pullback sort of to 56 area. Okay, Tim. Yeah, you have a great night. See you in the morning. Test bar 2151 EST was a good test in an upwave. Pulling back here, look like they're going to test this 450 area. We got that bullish fair value gap there. Pretty quiet stream tonight. We got 38 people watching. Normally we have a little bit more, although we are a little bit early still. TP1 on the long at the 9 EMA. Do you take a short there? Long time listener, first time code, Butcher user for the new Lucid Flex eval. Hey, thanks for that. Thanks for the support, buddy. I appreciate it. Work decided I need to work more. Still listening though. Fair enough, fair enough. Isn't that always the kind of thing that work does? They're always trying to make you work more. Like, what the heck? Test bar? We still got a little bit of orders there. 30,500 above. We got 30,490, 485. So we did not invert that bullish fair value gap just yet. But this thing is starting to look a little bit heavy. Is that going to be the end of the move? I thought we were going to at least get to the view up here. I was looking to try to get into a short up there. Let's look at the big contracts here, see if it looks any different for us. You know, sometimes the big contracts just don't have enough information. You know, there's like only like 10 and 13 contracts. We got 13 contracts up at 500, 10 contracts at like 85. So not looking like there's a whole lot up there. 3-minute high volume, hope it's demand. You suck, you quit. Sorry, Blackout News. I'm not really sure what you got going on, but trading is definitely tough. I would say just do your best to size down, try to take less trades. But I feel you, bro. I've been there. I've had that same feeling multiple times. So I wish silver was moving like it did last night. Yeah, was it? It was just moving real nice, hey, Lone Wolf? I wish I sold all my silver when it was 110. Yeah, that would be nice, eh? Stack the bars and then sell it after 4 years. What do you mean you've been trading for 4 years, Blackout News, and you're still you feel like you're, you know, you're not happy with your trading, obviously. I got greedy thinking it was going to go to 200. Oh, gotcha. So that's why you didn't sell it, Ryan. Clee's in the house. Hey, what's up? Did you put a different picture there now? What the heck? Where do you get all these nice pictures? Look very nice in this picture also. Yesterday was a really tough day. Yesterday, don't be discouraged. Tough day. Yeah, don't be discouraged. You going to a bonfire tonight, Clee? 3-minute failed test, previous 2 bars. Yeah. Last day in Boca, so I had to check out the shops, and it felt like a selfie. Nice. Butch has a bonfire every night. Yep, I do. It's a nice one, isn't it? Well, are we going to get to this VWAP or what? Or when his term is over? Oh, you mean oh, that's what you're talking about. You weren't talking about how long you've been trading blackout news. You're just talking about having the Trump market. Pretty chill stream tonight. Don't have a whole lot of not as many viewers as we usually have, but not going to complain. We got 48. How are we doing on the like situation? We're going to do a couple duck races for some extra Sunday duck entries. Oh, by the way, guys, I did put in a new form on this, in the Discord for the next Sunday giveaway. So if you guys are looking to get in on the next Sunday giveaway, head over to the Discord and fill that out. You got your AC blasting over here? Nice. Must be cold up in Canada. It's not that bad. It's pretty warm today. It's probably like 12 degrees if you consider that warm. 15 degrees right now. So definitely not hot like you guys are using. Hey, Timothy, how you doing? Solo order flow, Andre. It's too hot. I swear it's not my position causing me to sweat. Right? If I hold my trades too long, I get fucked. If I sell too early, I get fucked over and over. Well, hey, blackout news, maybe just scale out a little bit, like go in with like 3 or 4 contracts, sell some, and then go break even on the rest. And then maybe that's how you're going to help you, stay in for those bigger moves. I don't know. 12 degrees is cold in the United States. Yeah, especially in the southern United States. Was warm here today, Lone Wolf Blue. Yeah, it was pretty sunny today. It's just kind of, it's obviously not very sunny today right now, but we had high of like maybe 18 today, I guess. We got 20 and 21 and 23 coming up on the weekend. Who was the winner of the last duck race? You fell asleep in your computer chair. Damn, sorry, Moon Boy. Who won it last time? Yeah. Let me see. Who was it? Oh, it was Puran. Puran won it. He's pretty active in the stream. He's always hitting the like button on the X and usually in the stream anyways. Blackout News, stick to one side, switching back and forth will always toast you. No FOMO, wait for your right entry, then go. Sometimes it sucks just sitting and waiting, but hey, yeah, I'm not like, you know, obviously we don't know your strategy and stuff like that, but yeah, try to minimize it and then minimize like the amount of trades you take and size down a little bit. But if you come to the States, you're going to have to ditch the metric numbers. Yeah, I know, right? I'm gonna have to learn the other system. It would be like, oh yeah, it was 48 today, guys. 40 or 50 degrees today. Who ran? Yeah. Kyle Shees, come on now. He's a regular. I did run to Pooh while his name was called at the duck race on Sunday, though. Wait, not me. He did. LOL. Oh, 87. Yeah, sorry. 87. 12 is 53. It was 87. Ooh, damn. That's pretty warm. I play market structure, but this all nonsense price action. Yeah. Dave will be here in his son's out, guns out, muscle shirt, trying to convert the numbers. Yeah. Yeah, it sounds about right. Just wearing a, you know, like kind of like a wife beater tank top. I don't know. I'm not really like a wife beater, but you know what I mean, the tank top. 3-minute close is clustering. Yeah. Like this move right now, what the heck? Yeah, it's kind of like, you know, this kind of how I'm looking at it here is we had a flag pattern, you know, and we break out, we all often come back and retest a flag. We got this bullish fair value gap. So I mean, this is kind of, to me, it seems like a little bit of a normal pullback if we're going to head to the VWAP, right? But as I look at it, you know, this is bearish, right? We're below the VWAP, we're below the point of control. So everything's kind of saying like we should probably be looking for shorts, but that's why I'm just waiting for a move up to the VWAP to get a short, just because I feel like the risk to reward, if I were to short it down here, you know, put your stop at the VWAP, above the VWAP, like where do you put it, right? So that's why I'm kind of like thinking if we're going to target, you know, a new low or close to the new low, then we got to have to at least get up to the VWAP with our stop above the point of control, right? That's just kind of what I'm looking at. So I can honestly say I've never raised any kind of threat towards a woman in my entire life. No way. With all the hunks in the stream, Dave should sell a man market butcher calendar. Yeah, let's just get all these guys. Guys, send in your best photo, you know, get into like you know, a fireman outfit, you know, put the hat on, the helmet on, and you know. We're all gonna be doing our fireman outfit calendar. The Market Butcher fireman from the stream, guys. Dudes, yes, LOL. Clee wants a BC calendar. Yeah. I'm always concerned that I'm gonna say the BC word, and then there's gonna be like some new person watching, like some lady that's like watching for the first time, and then I'm gonna say that, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, I'm leaving this stream right now." You got a beer gut now? Whatever, it's fine. Some ladies like the beer gut. You need an apron with a limp red candle. Oh, geez. Wicked Wit. Hey, bro, can you show me how you draw out your order blocks and what time frame to use? I want to know if I'm doing it right. So I don't really use order blocks, to be honest. I know a lot of people use order blocks, but are you talking about the fair value gaps here? Because I use an indicator for the fair value gaps, but I'm not really an order block guy. So yeah, big bullish candle BBC, right? I gotta say, guys, I don't know if it's like what it is about this channel, but like we never get any like for real douchebags. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like we never really get trolls or DBs or, you know, douchebags or like, you know, a-holes. It seems like everybody that ends up joining this channel always seems to be like friendly, helpful. Oh yeah, maybe I'm just too nice. I'm just too Canadian. Right? Well, we're getting that pop-up. So again, like this is what I was kind of thinking. We have this flag pattern here after we, you know, popped up. We broke out and we retested the flag, and now we're going to head back up here. So again, resistance here, 467, and then, you know, 480 area is going to be the two sort of lines in the sand. If we can get above those, we're going to go all the way to the point of control above up here, right? So TP on long, nice. Base hit. You complain too much? No, hey, you know what? That's all good, man. You're allowed to vent. No one's taking offense by you venting, bro. Seriously. We're all just rooting for each other. We all want us to do good. And if you got a vent and, you know, get it out so that you can, you know, feel more calm or feel better about what's happening with your trading and everything, it's all good. It's all good, you know? Yeah, free therapy, exactly. I mean, we all know you've been around long enough that no one's going to be offended by anything that you say, you know? Like, you're usually just complaining about like what's happening in the market, and it's fair enough. I mean, nobody likes when we get these like odd moves, right? Not necessarily enjoyable, let's say. You know? Nothing good comes easy. Blackout Network, yeah, persevere. Yeah, you got this. You got this. You got it, bro. It's all you. You're hard on yourself because of how long you've been at it, and you know, it's freaking hard, dude. It's hard. Really, it's so hard. It is so hard. It is so hard. FY, last swing low, big volume spikes, big boys, very active. Mark those volume spikes. Sounds personal, Dave. Hey, it's a good problem to have, right? It being so hard. So what happens when you're single for so long, right? Market has been rough. I've had to step back and re-look several times. Study your losses; they will tell you more about your than about your wins. Yeah, I saw a good video. Somebody shared it to me. Zach Lazarus shared it to me. What you can do is it's called the 5 whys. So you ask yourself why 5 times to really get to the bottom of whatever it is that happened, right? Whether it's, like, well, why did I lose the trade? Well, and then, the entry was bad. Well, why was the entry bad? Well, I should have waited for this level or whatever. So if you can actually dig through the 5 whys, and you can use AI to help you with this too. But Toyota started using that sort of to like benefit them as a company, right? Is like, if you can answer the questions, all 5 whys as to why, something's happening, you're really going to get to the bottom of it. So like, well, maybe it was market structure, and then maybe it was oversizing. Maybe I didn't respect my stop, and if you just keep asking yourself why and really try to like delve deep into, all the parts of the trade, maybe you're going to get, some good answers out of it. You're not alone, bro. I'm in the same boat. Traded futures since February, and I still haven't got a payout. I'm down a lot of money. I've blown 15 funded accounts. Yeah, it happens. It happens. Hey, Trading Game. How you doing? Geez, is that going to be like a quadruple top that we just made right there? You've blown 70 evals in 4 fundeds? You've blown way more than 15? I'm not even going to count. Just keep pushing forward. Yeah, it's hard, right? Try not to focus on the numbers. And just, just a slow and steady grind, right? It's about longevity. So maybe just try to slow down your trading, right? And try not to go through them so fast. That's kind of the hard part, I think. Yesterday, I went into drawdown. I started in 1879, got stopped out every time in trades, and I did win. The slippage was brutal. You're down 137 and holding, and I feel like this is going to make another move up. we are pretty choppy here at the moment, but like hopefully we can kind of hold this these EMAs here, and I think, you know, I feel like we're still going to get to the VWAP at some point, but not financial advice. But oh, you started in 1979. Gotcha. That was when I was born. Randall started trading when I was born, guys. So you've been trading for like 40 something years, eh? 45, 47 years, 46 years. Yo, Jim, since you blew your kid's college funds on props, I figured the only reasonable solution was to put him up for adoption. Oh, you're a funny guy, man. You're funny. I'm older than you, Red? Yeah, I was born in 79. So November 20, 1979. There you go, Clee. Getting a little pump back up here. Oh, you're born in 81, January. Gotcha. Yeah, I've been pretty lucky on aging and stuff. My lifestyle has been pretty clean. I've been pretty athletic my whole life. Try to eat decent food. Live as relatively as a clean life as I can. So down 500 and every trade I took was a winner except for being stopped out. Thanks, Kyle. Yo, Jim's 53. Don't worry, we won't say anything. Yo, Jim. 73, eh? I love it when we do the questionnaire to see how old I am. You haven't aged well? We all get old? I mean, I beg to differ. I've seen your pictures that you keep posting. I would ask you how old you are, but I know that's not polite, so I won't do it. Yo, Jim, remember drawing charts on graph paper? You guys used to have to do it that way, eh? That's crazy. That is wild. $29 again? You got to call the brokers, get the times. Dave, my post on the chart. Let me see. Looking for a test of the 500, Eddie Chin. Hey. And it was $100 in and out. Ryan guessed it. I must really look old. No. Oh, 29? That's a good guess if you're correct. I mean, you look super young, Clee. And 29 is young. It's like actually a really good age. 30's like the new 20, you know? So good for you if you're only 29. I mean, I was going to guess like, 25 or 26, but maybe that's my age showing because it's hard for me to guess the age. Yeah, 29 was a good age. I wish I could go back and be 29 or 30. She's a Spanish woman, Ryan. Spanish mamacita. Muy, muy bonita. Going up now, broke that line in the sand. Yeah, it seems like it. Hopefully we don't pull back too far here now. I want to see us just get a little more pop here, right up to the VWAP. Then I'll be looking to potentially take a short trade here. But we are looking pretty bullish at the moment. So hard to say, where is this going to stop? Beautiful. You guys want to see what I did? It looks actually really wild. Don't laugh at me though, okay? Don't laugh. You guys ready for this? You guys ready? Oh my god, look at this thing. Can you see that? What do you guys think about that? Those are all trend lines, man. They're all trend lines. I drew all these trend lines because I'm like, this is gonna go right to there, and that's where I'm gonna take profits. Looks like Spider-Man trading. Yeah, they're trend lines. What a nice spider web I have. Why are mine red? LOL, just kidding. Oh, I hope not, bro. I hope not. This is a 150K top one futures account. So I was scaling in 1 micro at a time. But I was pretty confident. I was feeling very confident that this is gonna go up. And even on that pullback here, that big bearish candle that we had where Klee said, "Oh, I'm down 150 or whatever," like I was adding on that guy too. I'm like, yeah, let's add on this guy. And then I hit max daily profit on that account, 1350, because it's get 20% consistency on that one. So. Boom. Okay, well, I'm not going to jump into a short just yet because I want to see what's going to happen here. I want us to engage, if not even get slightly above this and then do a little bit of stall out and do some sideways action. It would suck if this thing just gets right here and then reverses. That's not what I want to see. So it might end up missing this trade, but the short trade anyways. We do have this bearish fair value gap up here at 509 and the 500s are right there. So, you know, price might go all the way to there and then find the resistance. But, you know, we're getting close to the VWAP. So we got to really be the point of control. We got to really be careful on where we short this if we're going to short it. So I want to see it get up here, play around, maybe find resistance at the 500s and then roll over, right? Force Fed, how you doing, buddy? How you doing? What up? Hola, senor. So that was a nice trade, though. I got that funded account back out of drawdown anyways. Posted the chart with the volume spikes marked in Discord. Let me see. Charts. Hey, there we go. So are these boxes are what you talking about there, Wayne? Glasshopper, hey, no, not every night. I stream every day for New York Open. We're not very busy during the day because, you know, there's a gazillion more known traders. But Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday nights we're live for the Asia session. We usually start at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then we run for about 3 hours, or I should say, I run. So welcome to the stream, buddy. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Nice short. You took it 475, one mini. Also, these are the high activity areas you're talking about. That's why we're going to get some resistance in this area probably, which is lining up with the VWAP. I'm not convinced that the bull move is over yet, but a nice trade there, Wicked Wicks. 475. Very nice, very nice. One mini. Bearish order block. Gotcha. Which is, I guess this is your order block here, this consolidation zone. Is that, you know, I've never really learned about order blocks much, but I'm assuming that this is kind of like the order block that you're talking about, this area. I don't know if I'm correct. Something like that, maybe. Big boys were active in those areas. Okay, Wayne. Nice. You're from Wisconsin. Nice. Haven't been yet. I'm in Vancouver, Canada. I'm one of your friendly neighbors from the north, eh? You love Wisconsin? You're in Illinois? Block is 470 and 480. 1 minute time frame. Between 470 and 80? Do I have I think I had an order block. I used to have an order block. What's it called? Indicator. You vacation in door country? So is that how you guys draw your Christmas trees? Is that how you normally draw your trend lines for your Christmas trees? Originally from Upper Peninsula, so we'll say A also. Okay, nice. I like it. We got something in common then, hey? Sweet. Still greater than 90 EMA, still holding with 2 cars, 3 minute. Let me look at the 3. I know how Wayne really loves a 3 minute here. Oh yeah, I see that. And we got this little bullish fair value gap there at 461. This has been mitigated, so this is kind of the next support in the line here. Washington Island, best gin, death's door. Okay. Are you sleeping with Tori, Dave? Don't say that. Don't say that, Wayne. You're gonna get me in trouble with Clee. You're still stuck in the longs? Oh, really? It just, you entered pretty high then, hey, Clee? I think it's Tori with an I, right? Isn't it? Tori? First Abby, now Tori. Guess I should move. No, hey! It's not true. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Wasn't laughing at Clee? No, I know you were laughing. I think you were laughing at what Wayne said, right? I wouldn't think you'd laugh at Clee for being stuck in the long. Of course not. Holy smokes here. Kyle or force fed. What do you do? Hey. Now you hurt my feelings. So this was a short, guys? 475 was the short? They couldn't even give us the VWAP first? What the heck? I mean, it might not be over. We already saw this happen once and then it bounced. Kind of want to try a long on this fair value gap. I'm going to give it a sec, though. We got 1 minute left on this candle. What do we got on the hour? Oh, it's a new hourly candle. We got to pay attention to that, guys, because sometimes this nonsense happens at the hourly candles. I should have known better leading up to this to the hourly candle here. I just can't buy this now either. I can't short this and I can't buy it. So that's a little too aggressive. We got some pretty high volume on here. Not financial advice, Clee, but you might want to cut that. I don't know. Unless we just decide to bounce right back up here, which is possible, but I don't like it personally. Let's look at a smaller time frame here. 1 minute. Yeah, see, pretty high volume selling candles here. You're in a short but got stopped out by 2 points. Oh, what? Like on the push up to 476 you got stopped out, or did you like go and put your stop in profit? It bounced off my VWAP in Quantar. You're in pretty light. I might look for support and then try to average a little, then cut it. I mean, we might not be done the bullish move, right? The only thing I'm not liking is that we got below this sort of like little consolidation here. Chris said, better miss a good trade than to enter a bad one. Which is the writing icon here? Is it the dot? No. Oh, the dot is just the style of pointer. What's magic? No. It's just a little wand. You entered short too early and I put my stop just above it. What I thought was a view up. Oh, okay. Let's do this for Klee. There we go. We'll do that. And we will do this. What do you guys think? Is it going to work? Looks like it's working, guys. Looks like it's working. It's going to go. It's going to go. Come on. I still want to short it at the view up if we can get up there. Hope they're dip buying again at 3 minute. I mean, we've been pretty bullish here. So just we got this line in the sand here is going to be this bearish fair value gap at the 450s, 460 area. So that's on the 1 minute. So short it and I'm sleeping on the couch. Okay, sorry, I won't. I'll at least wait till you're out, okay? I have a limit sell at 488, 2 micros. That's a pretty good area, Randall. I think so. That's kind of what I'm waiting for too. So don't worry, Klee, you'll be in profit before I short this bad boy. 488 is what. I like it. I like it. 488. Come on. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go. Yes, dear. Wayne. I'm just going to grab a glass of water. I'll be right back, guys. Let's hope that the magnet and the plane works. Should we add something else, maybe? We need something else? Like, how about this? Here we go. We need one of these too, right? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But you're looking for 69, eh? Just full disclosure though, I'm not gonna just short it once we tap the view up though. I want to see a stall out and start looking a little bit bearish. Wayne, you want the view up? Yeah. You want silver? Lone Wolf wants silver to start moving. You entered a short at 455. That looks like you're in the money already. Just be careful. We've been pretty bullish, you know, since we hit that low anyways. Big dog stepped in here, really high volume buyers there. A little bit more pretty high volume in this push up here. So that's why, you know, this ended up being support here in this area because of the top of this candle. And then all through this part, pretty high volume. Sellers did step in here though, I guess, with these wicks. But you know, there's always a buyer on the other side of the seller. Sellers pushed it back down, pretty high volume, but then we ended up still holding that support of that one. So kind of a flip of the coin at the moment, hey guys?
Let's go.
Not super clear.
D-base. Market butcher.
Definitely not super clear. Hey, we got 79 people, 81 people watching right now. What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. Looks like, oh, David Nettles, once SK Hynix opens here on the US market, you see it having an effect on Micron shares. Sorry, David, I don't really follow stocks much these days. I'm literally focused on futures only. So I don't really have an answer for you about that. Sorry, buddy. That was at 45 after. Oh, jeez, that was a while ago. Timothy Andre Solano, no English, sorry, solo Espanol. Gotcha. Negative news on Trump. That's why it was a dump earlier. Really? Oh, was it? I don't see it. Let's get this stuff out of the way here. Three-minute inside bar, the 334 EMA is sideways. Taco Tuesday. We still got orders, 30,500, 103 contracts. I mean, that's the biggest amount of orders that we have up here. Oh, pretty high volume there, but it kind of looks like they got absorbed. Because, like, see that CVD dropped substantially to 22, you know, 2,200, but price stayed up. So if price stayed up, but CVD went down, I feel like that's buyers, right? Buyers held the price, but the CVD dropped. The second time I've seen this today where we're having a divergence on the CVD versus price. Price is slowly trending lower, but the CVD dropped pretty substantially there from like 22,470 down to like 22,250. But price actually went up, as you can see right there. Went down, but went straight back up. Okay, now we're pushing down though. Angia, how you doing? Good morning. Were you in a shower, Angia, before you came to the stream? Just curious because we're dumping. Nice job, Wicked Wicks. Nice entry at the 455s there. Hey, Glasshopper, join the Discord, and BC Rich F. Welcome, welcome, guys. So we have over 400 people in the Discord now. Where is it? Where is it? So 323 plus 78, 79. So we got a little over 400 people in the Discord now. That's awesome. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to the community. Make sure you head over to the giveaway channel, guys, in the Discord. Fill out the form because we got a new form for next Sunday giveaway. So we're starting it fresh for this month, right? We're going to reset that form every month. So head over there. How are we doing on likes? I think we'll shoot. It's a little bit more of a quiet stream today. I think if we can get to like 75, we'll do the giveaway. We're at 32 right now. And it's 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. Tell you what, if we get to 60, then we'll do a giveaway, or we'll do a race for an extra duck, anyways. Are they gonna make it a lower high here? Just in YouTube, Calico. I could start doing the occasional stream in Discord only. That's not a bad idea. I've never streamed on Discord, actually. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, we got like a 3-4 second delay. Maybe a little bit longer. Really, Discord streams crash your device? About to tap again, about to top, about to top again, about to top again, about to top again. You got out of that trade?
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart.
Out of the short, looking to re-enter at 450.
Another night.
Nice trade, Wicked Wicks. Good job, good job. Yes, for whatever reason. Interesting. County or country on the giveaway form? Country. Just because it matters, you know. I want to just make sure that people are in an acceptable country if they win it, right? Because some countries don't allow you to trade Lucid, right? So did I type county? Why did I put county? Okay, well, I changed it. Hopefully that should be right now. Sorry, guys. Thanks for pointing that out, Force Fed. Everyone's gonna be like, "Oh, what county I'm in? Why does that matter?" I'm gonna have to like search up everybody's county to figure out which country they're in. I definitely did not put my county, LOL, because that's the only question insurance companies ask. I'm just curious. I'm gonna look at some of the responses here and see what people said. So, Hong Kong, India, Peru, USA, United States, Italy. Okay, cool. That's pretty cool. Canada. We got just one person in Canada. Canada, Hong Kong, India, Peru, US, USA, United States, and Italy. Next time, maybe Bounty. Yeah. Oh, I can't believe we didn't even get the view up, guys. Is it because we no, we definitely did. Well, we're down at the -1 standard deviation right now. Huh. Maybe? Maybe? 44 for 19? I mean, I might risk this on 1 micro. Kind of like this idea. It's not risking a whole lot. I'm only risking 19 points on 1 micro here, so it'd be like a $40 loser if this ends up pulling down on me here. So and then we're gonna go to the view op if we do get up there. So that is basically 78 or 78. I think 75 is probably good enough. And we got to stop down at 415. Trading order blocks has helped my trading a lot. I draw my own blocks. Nice. Oh, Sebastian, you're in Surrey. No way. I'm in Mission. So I grew up in Surrey. What part of Surrey do you live in? I went to LA Matheson. Time to do some weights, guys. Well, we pump this guy up. Let's pump it. Let's pump it. Let's pump it. It's going straight to the TP here. Highway 15 area and 96. Nice. That's cool. Is that like Fraser Highway and 96? Yeah, Highway 15 is... Oh, no, Highway 15, that's... 176, right? 176 and 96. It's kind of like almost Langley then. Uh-oh. There we go. Pop it. Pop it. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah, before Cloverdale. Gotcha. Dave just buys the dip. What's the entry? 436.25. Although I don't like it now. We rejected on that bearish fair value gap, so that's not ideal. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. Pump it, pump it. That's what we're trying to do here. Lift some weights, pump it up. Re-entered short at 450. Uh-oh. Wicked Wicks is on the shorts tonight. $457 is a decision point for a pop or a 200-point drop? Don't tell me that.
Trend line. The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch.
At least 100. Well, I'm only risking about $40 here, so. I thought I would at least hit the VWAP before dropping. That's what I thought too, but we didn't quite get there. So this might be a lower high. This could be a lower high.
Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
Need to break the 450s here. There we go. Come on, let's get up there. You're along with me. You got 3 MES from 528, and in another account I got 1 NQ. Woo. Is ES looking bullish at the moment too? All right, we've been making higher lows for sure. We made a sort of a new high. We need a BC, guys. Can we summon a BC, please? Here, can we summon one of these? Summon one of these guys. I'm gonna put on my cooking uniform here. Let's cook up some BCs. Hey, the stream's getting busy, guys. 108 people in YouTube and 5 people in X. Definitely hit that like button if you haven't. I appreciate you guys. Once we get to 75, we will do a duck race for an extra duck on next Sunday's giveaway. We're at 42 right now. We got 100 people watching. We should be able to get to 75. No problem. Once we get up there, I'll pop in a form here. We'll do another a form for the entry. Let me get this form open. We'll duplicate this tab. Duplicate. And then we'll go back to the contact form. Of broken trend lines. We need STFU here for the BC to appear.
Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. EWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU. She got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean MNQ dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk about.
Okay, I'm gonna fill out this form. Get this ready because we're gonna be at 75 likes real soon, aren't we? Okay, extra duck for Sunday. 25K Lucid eval giveaway.
I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience pays. Evan Dyer showed discipline stays. Every level got a reason to exist.
Is this going to be an add-in here, guys? Is this going to be an add-in? So we got some conflicting orders here. We got some at 445. I don't know if those are support. And then we got some at 460 here. So it looks like about 25 for support and 37 for resistance. Name, email, YouTube name. Country. County. Jonathan, what's up, bro? How you doing? Let me know if you want to talk more about, the real estate thing. I can hook you up with like the head of EXP in Vancouver, and then he can line you up with somebody in your area. Hook you up with the right people.
Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU.
Jonathan always spoiling me with the super chats, man. Thank you so much. Wicked Wicks, you're thinking add in? I'll just let this ride. Last time I did that, I ended up being unhappy because I got to pull back and I got stopped out. So Let's just let this one ride. See if we can't hit a TP there up at the 475s. We got 42 likes on the stream so far, guys. We got like 90, over 90 people, 100 people watching right now. 5 in X, 95 in YouTube. So 57 likes. So we only need about 18 more likes, and then we'll do that giveaway. I did fill out the form; it's ready to go. So we need to get one of these guys. Yeah, but they can help you with that part too. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think you'd probably be good at selling houses too, Clee, as long as you can, you know, you kind of are, you know. I think the way your personality seems is probably you could be good at it for sure. But yeah, Jonathan, if you wanna just get hooked up with them, they can, you know, help you, you know, just get on track right away, whether or not you're gonna do the exam, where you should do it, you know, like the training, if you want to get some training, stuff like that. So. Especially if you have lots of contacts, like if you have lots of friends and people, that's a good way to start too. Is Skill Vortex. Hey, how you doing? Adam Daz, how you doing? Good evening. Oh, look at this pullback, guys. Oh my God, what happened? What happened? No. That's not looking good now. You're coming for my stop loss, bro? It seems like it, hey? Damn. We rejected pretty hard off that 60s.
Indicators, just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
Running stops, hey Wayne? Running stops. They are working this market perfectly. They take you out, then pump it.
Another Sunday, another Globex.
The orders came off above here at 30,460, which isn't the best sign for the bulls. But you never know. You never know. Don't know. Yes, I do. I trade with a good, very, very good trader. His name's Nick. He goes by Mustang Trader. And yeah, we trade Monday to Friday. Nick starts pre-market at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm on usually about 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we run for like 2 to 3 hours.
Choose value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience.
I'm thinking I might take one off right here, and then we'll try to hold the other one for up at the highs. I'm gonna reduce this a little bit since I did go in on 2 contracts. I should actually probably bring my stop up a bit here too, just to make up for adding into this guy. Lucid, top one account, slow consistency is what it's about. I got stopped out again, then reversal like clockwork. Damn. London voice, hey my dog, get out of this trade now. Heading for a big L and locked in for weeks. Love the comments by London voice, always coming in, telling me to exit the trade.
Mustang trader, no crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
So 18, 36, 66, 72. Basically $80 risk here.
Market butcher,
Come on, let's go, Bulls. Let's see a pop here. Let's just pop this guy right through.
another Globex,
Pop it right up here. Here we go.
another 1,000 traders looking for the
NQ in a bullish consolidation, but I'm not convinced it's going higher yet. Yeah, it's a mix. It's definitely a mixed bag at the moment. Hey, this is going to go higher. It's not going to stop right here. It's not going to stop at the 55s. It's not going to stop at the 55s, right? Okay, let's take one off. Took one off. Gonna go break even on the remainder here, and we'll get rid of this on here. And I'm gonna take this one off. Let's see if we can't let this guy run a bit here. I'm gonna put stop to the bottom of this candle. Maybe we're gonna get that VWAP retest. To the moon. Thanks, Jonathan. Another super chat. This guy blessing the channel. Thank you for the support, man. You're so crazy with the tips. I appreciate it. Yeah, this boy good. This boy good. Butch dog. What it do? The elevated life. You know, just elevating life every day. Trying to elevate life. Good to see you. Good to see you. Come on, let's go, Bulls. Let's go, Bulls. Yeah, let's go. Wayne? Boner C, I hope. All the way up to the VWAP. All the way up to the VWAP. Just buyers just step in here and just crush it.
Because we've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid Evil, top one account. Slow consistency is what it's about. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way.
Yeah, if it rejects here, it's no good, right? It's definitely gonna go lower here. So it's got to take out this bullish fair value gap on the 3-minute. We need a candle closure above 465, and then we're gonna probably at least get up to the VWAP here. I mean, we did enough manipulation times now that this should be the pop if it's gonna pop, right? If it decides to come back down to the channel here again, that would be so annoying. You're holding long to the close? Ooh, wow. That's crazy. I forgot to get my water. I'll be right back. One sec here.
Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. EWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map.
Ralph wants to say hi, guys. Hi. Ralph's in the house. Look at the camera, Ralph. Look at the camera. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Hello, everybody. Thanks for watching. He's so confused when I do this. He's always like, what is going on? What is going on here? Ralph's in the house. That's my 10.5-year-old little French bulldog. Do we have a 5-minute bearish fair value gap there too? Yeah, it looks like it. But this is a brand new candle, so let's wait for the 3. Be nice if we can see the 3 close up here at 65. I love my Frenchie. She is the best dog. I know Frenchies are amazing. My Frenchie has had lots and lots of health problems. Unfortunately, he got dealt a bad hand in that aspect, but I still love him no matter what. It doesn't matter, you know, that I gotta go broke keeping him alive, but it is what it is, right? I mean, at this point, I think I gotta trail this up a bit more here. Lock in 12 points. If this rejects and comes back down, I probably don't want to be in this trade anymore anyways, right? So come on, BC, let's go. Light it up, dog. Light it up.
No crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
Dave, go to vet school, save money. Yeah.
Mustang trader, market butcher.
Let's get a new song going here. I don't know how long this song's been playing, but it's been a minute.
Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret.
Let's go with this guy.
Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad.
Oh, that's so funny, Wrong Jim. You're like, this song's been playing way too long, just as I realized that too.
You know it ain't supposed to be interesting.
Come on, we got 26 seconds. We need a closure above 65 here.
Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says massive crash incoming.
Come on, let's go. Let's see us get all the way up above the VWAP. You took the same entry? Nice, TSF. Envision. Come on, 3 seconds. Pop it a little bit. Yes, yes. There we go. We inverted that. We inverted that fair value gap, guys. That's a good sign. It's a good sign. There's a good chance we're going to go higher. We got an inverted fair value gap here.
I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self.
Come on, let's go VWAP. Let's go to the VWAP here. Keep pumping.
A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees.
Gonna lock in a little bit more here. So that's only 56, 16 points, 26, 32, only $32, but one micro, what can you do? I should probably give it more space, actually. I'm just gonna leave it there, whatever. It's not worth stopping it out over a few points, right? Because this might come back, retest this this fair value gap.
MNQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the fun
funny part. You ever
In
notice
fact, I
that
might even
everybody
think about
knows
adding to this trade here
nobody stops trading. It's
in
like
this
dating a crazy
in the
ex.
460
You know
area.
exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here. Brother, why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. And your
Did we invert that on the 5 yet? No, we got 5 seconds. Just don't pull back here. Don't pull back here on the 5. Okay, nice, nice. So that's a small 5-minute fair value gap. Right from there to right to there.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph, Yo Jim Blab, Miss
460.
the whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out.
You're looking at 450 to re-enter into a long. You're short at 468.
Let me tell you a story about
Right in this bearish fair value gap
bad decisions.
on the 5-minute.
Actually, it's mostly bad decisions.
I was sitting there watching NQ. Like a
So
grown
if
man
I
watching
enter, if I add that 440 to 460, it's going to 40,
You can't stop
450 is going to be my average price. So I pretty much got to have my stop at 450.
AKH tomorrow.
Other guy says massive crash incoming.
Meanwhile,
So I might, if I get a deeper pullback, if we get an ad here and a deeper pullback, I'm going to be pretty close to possibly getting stopped out with the ad in. But I think it's worth it, you know.
just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will.
Okay, I'm not going to do this now that we've pushed away from it so much. You're going to have to wait for another possible entry here. I think it's time to be a little more aggressive on the, maybe not. Let's give it a little more time here. 52.
Never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day.
3-minute ride in the 90 EMA up just like Nick this AM. It is late here. I'm finally green and out of that bad trade tonight. Okay, Clee, have a good night. Nice patience there on that one. Good for you. Silver's trying to get some steam. Nice.
NQ dirty.
Everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen.
Have a great night, Clee.
Still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly.
Hey, thanks, Wayne.
Works perfectly. And some
See if we
guy in
can't
chat
get a little bit more out of
entered
this.
over here, brother. Why? The level was right there. It was
Your limit sells now up at 484.
oil slippery.
That's a nice level. Yeah.
That gas explosive in your account, emotional. And then the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader in the room.
Realistically, where do I want my stop?
Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!"
So actually, if I had my stop here at 446, then I can add at like 50, around the 50 to 56 area.
Ralph.
Skill Vortex, you feel like it's going to reject up here? I mean, quite possibly. Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
It could.
If you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out.
We got orders at 75, so 75 minus 15 is going to be 60 area, which is a normal amount of pullback. We enter, if we add at the 60,
Actually, it's mostly bad decisions.
then our average price would be around the 50s.
Like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking.
Doing a bunch of math in my head here. 90 MA. John Sanders, hey, how you doing? I don't really recognize your name. Nice to see you in the chat here. Come on, hit the like button. Yeah, what are we doing now? Are we ready to do that form for the extra duck race here, guys? Oh, we're still about 13 away. All right, John. Nice to meet you. Where are you tuning in from? Are you from the United States of America? Smash the like, right, wrong trade, Jim. I might just do the form here anyways. We're getting close to 10 a.m. We'll wait 5 more minutes. I'll put out the form here. I might get stopped out here, guys, but I added. So let's just hope that this doesn't come down to my entry. I'm gonna have to get stopped out in profit though if it does. I would like to see us bounce here. Come on, let's go. Come on, boys. At this point, it's a free trade. Worst case scenario. Banking on this bad boy continuing higher here. Got a little pullback. Those orders did come off at 75 and 80. So is this thing going to go back up now? Come on. Don't go lower. Don't go lower. We closed right in that inverted fair value gap. All right, I got out there, guys. Didn't want to give all that profit back if this thing decides to go all the way down here. So basically $50 on that trade only in the end. But this is the type of market we're in right now. So yeah, it's coming for my stop loss. Yeah. Going to 430 to play range. Yeah, it's probably going to go back down here. That's why I was like, you know what? I need to just get out of this. What did I made 27 on that guy and I lost 16. So I still made another, $12 or something on that last micro. That's too bad. Should have just left it up here for the TP. Just not getting that much continuation, right? You're going to play the extreme 15 minutes. Maybe this is going to be the next entry here. The risk is getting a little bit higher.
Charts up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market.
$400 on that short hit my trail. Nice. Yeah, that's a nice candle right there. It's definitely been elevator down. Hey guys, we've been stair stepping up and elevator down multiple times here. pretty strong consolidation here in this area.
Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid val.
Yeah, I'm not so convinced anymore on the long, so I'm going to take that off so nobody gets the idea to long it here. Technically, this is a bearish channel, right?
Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill.
So this might still go back up to the highs or something, or reject. This guy is gone now. So the inverted fair value gaps aren't really doing anything for us. Kind of like in maybe this idea. Targeting 200 EMA, 40 points for a 12-point stop. I gotta go. Catch you tomorrow night. Thanks for hosting as always, Dave. Thanks, Ryan Entourage. We're gonna do that duck race right now, guys. If you want to stick around for a minute, Ryan, I'll just we'll do it up right now. Oh, I didn't even publish it yet, did I? Shoot. Let's do it right now. Anyways, there's a doc, guys. I just linked the Google Docs there. Fill out that form for the for a chance to win an extra duck in the next Sunday giveaway here. Basically, what it is you're going to get an extra entry into the Sunday giveaway. Yeah, so if you guys win the duck race, let me replace this as a replace pinned message so it's easier to find it. So if you win the duck race tonight, how it works is you're going to get an extra duck for the Sunday giveaway. I'd only get about 4 25K Lucid Flex evals per month. And, we give them away basically every Sunday. I figure that's kind of the best day because people usually are off on the weekend. So you can pop in the stream on the evening, somewhere around this time on Sunday evening for the entry for the race. And like I said, if you enter the form there, you're going to get in on tonight's race. If you win tonight's race, we'll probably give about 3 winners away. 3 people will have an extra duck for the Sunday race. So that means that you're going to, have double the chances that you would normally have to win, or if you win tonight kind of idea. So good luck to anybody who does possibly get in there.
Charge up. Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded.
45 risk from here. Or do we wait for the standard deviation to get taken and then put a stop sort of?
Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim blab like
16 entries so far. Thanks everybody. Get your entries in while you can. Still got 105 people watching right now. 100 people in YouTube, 5 people in X. Awesome, awesome. Is this thing going to just bounce all the way back up to the tops again, high again here? Yeah, I mean, we probably should trade the range here. But I kind of think if I'm going to take a short, we need to wait for it to get down to this area. So, Raphael Cini, hey, good evening. How are you? Yeah, this is what these channels do, right? They're just going to play in the channel, but eventually, more often than not, it's going to break to the downside. Now, whether or not it's going to do that now or maybe in a little while, nobody really knows. That's why I was kind of thinking we should probably wait for a break below the -1 deviation band here. And then sort of maybe target the 200 EMA, which is lining up right with the 500 or 400 level. But again, we might just end up bouncing all the way back up to the highs here again. Maybe we'll tap the VWAP here again. So I'm kind of liking even a short up here again, even better. Because if we're following the channel, we might get actually to the VWAP this time. Okay, so we've got about 3 more minutes to fill out the form, guys, and then we're gonna do the race for the extra duck here, because Ryan Entourage got to head to bed. So 23 entries here. Thanks everybody for entering. Let's read the. You know what? Maybe I should make a song out of the comments that everybody puts into the entry in the form. It says, thanks, Dave. Comments? Hey, thanks for having such a chill stream. Right on, Dave. Thank you, Dave. Keep it going, bro. Pimping ain't easy, but it's necessary. Quack, quack. If I win, it's not rigged. If I lose, it's rigged. Love you, brother. Stay blessed. I get 2x. Quack, quack. Mustang in the morning. Fave streamer. Hey. You guys. No bad for me. My kids came home late and they're all hungry. I got to go feed them. Oh, damn. Got to get back to work, hey? Switch up this song here.
Mustang trade in the pre-market. Mark can put you on the mic.
Baby metal, guys. Baby metal. But they always love a duck race? Yeah, look at this thing going here. Still stuck in the range. Basically 1.5 minutes here, and we'll I'm gonna close the form. Yeah, could have just done the same long all over again. Hey guys. Is the MHP level still valid, or is that dead since we touched ALR? You might need to type out those acronyms. Just buy mutual funds. Don't watch this moron. Oh, hey, thanks, bro. That's not very nice, bro. I'm getting trolled here, guys. I'm getting trolled. What do you use the heat mat for? Just to see where the orders are. Maybe Eto de Gasad is just having a bad day, guys. It's all good. No worries. He's allowed to troll if he wants. We know it's shooting for all-time highs. Can we just get there already? Right? Let's build up this momentum and just blast off, right? Red, you need 471. ETO plus troll. Oh, is that what it is? ETO troll? Oh. Equals troll. Gotcha. I prefer London voice. He always comes in and he goes, "My dog, get out of this trade now. Heading for a big L. Locked in for weeks." Jeez. So is this actually going to break down to the lower now, finally? Monthly hedge pressure is still active. MHP? Is that what the MHP stands for? I don't even know what monthly hedge pressure is, but thanks for answering that, GLaDOS. You're a much smarter trader than me. Just beware of overshoot. Gotcha. All right, guys. I'm going to get this form going here. Did we get a couple more entries? Looks like we got one more entry, I think. All right. I'm going to get rid of the form here out of the chat. Remove. Oh, it's a rocket scooter thing. Gotcha. Gold's looking good. Looking good for a short or for a long? I stopped trading gold because it tends to rip my entire face off every time. Don't be a dick for a tick. For a tick. Okay, we got the duck race filled in here, guys. We are filled in here. Done. Let's go 201. 1201? No. 201. Set. Just got to get rid of this banner here. This one. And go full screen. Good luck, good luck. Let me just double check that nobody signed in at the very last minute there. No, it doesn't look like it. Okay. We'll give it 3 shuffles so you know it's random. It's not rigged. It's not rigged. I thought it was saying more tick. I was questioning what I was listening to. Don't be a dick for a tick. Let's get the actual duck race song going here. I think is it this one? No, that's not it. Here it is. Everybody thinks they're winning until the stop loss gets hit, guys. All right, good luck to the winner here. Oh, sorry, Wicked. I already did the shuffles earlier, so. Adam Daz, Paul Memphis, Ryan Entourage, Hectron, TSF Envision, Jerry Trades Future, Wicked Wicks. You lost? Oh, because you're on the top? Sorry, bro. Chris in there, G6F. Keith Smith. Wayne, I see Wayne there. John Sanders. Drew's 69 Malibu. So guys, make sure you go over to the Discord, get into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top. There's a pinned comment there. That's how you're going to enter for the Sunday giveaway. So if you win tonight, you're going to get an entry in the Sunday. Well, you got to make sure you head over to the Discord to make sure you have that filled out also. And that way you can have 2 ducks in the race. Or 1, if you don't win tonight, you can at least get 1 in on the Sunday giveaway. So, Red, you're going to come up for the win? I don't see your name, so that's a good sign. 18 seconds, we're going to get a rejection here. Boom. Wicked Wick, sorry, bro. Paul Memphis, Adam Daz got rejected. Envision. Ryan Entourage with the Trump duck still going. Still going. Oh, Wicked Wick's on a comeback here. Really? Wicked Wick's on the comeback. Oh, MyFX Trading. MyFX, are you here in the chat? MyFX Trading, are you still here, bro? There he is. Nice. Okay, you just got an extra entry for the Sunday giveaway. Make sure you head over to the Discord and fill out the form on the Discord. So when you fill out the form on the Discord and the win tonight, that means you're going to have 2 ducks in the Sunday giveaway. The Sunday giveaway is for a 25K Lucid Flex account. Tonight is just for an extra duck. So now you got 2 ducks for the race. So I'm going to quickly go add your name to the list here for the extra duck for Sunday. MyFX Trading. All right, got you added in there as an extra duck, so we're going to remove you from the race. And good luck to the next winner. We're going to actually shorten the race a little bit here, so we'll clear it. We'll go down to 1 minute. And we'll start this again. We're going to do 2 more races here. Good luck, good luck. Oh, sorry, Red, I didn't see that. Too late. Yeah, we're gonna do 3 total here, so good luck to the next winner. TG Cyrus, I hope, but I never win these. You never know. It's pretty odds are pretty good right now. There's only about 20 people racing, so a 1 in 20 chance to lock in a W. 18 seconds here. Stop losses are hit. John Sanders still holding with the stop loss hit. That's promising. But maybe at the 10 or 9 seconds. Oh, who's that? Keith Smith pull with the Batman duck whipping on the top there. Keith Smith in the house. What's up? Mr. Keith Smith, you're still here, right? If you give you a 1 and 2, you'd still lose? Oh, sorry, bro. Rig, the top doesn't win? Oh, I mean, we just did the form like not long ago. There you go, Keith Smith here. Nice. Okay, gonna add Keith Smith really quick. Okay, race again. You're in a short, hoping for the dump. I hope so too for you, buddy. So let me just, I'll bring up the names here, guys, just to see if some of you guys didn't get missed. So we got Jerry Trades, Wrong Trade Jim, Paul Memphis, Force Fed, Gary LP3, Wicked Wicks, Hectron, Yo Jim, Wayne, Ryan Entourage, Earl, John Sanders, Chris, Guarav, Bagade, sorry, Jane Bond, Raphael Cini, Jaded, Sat, B-Flu, Reds Everyday Dog Trading, Adam Daz, TSF Envision, Drew's 96 Malibu, and Stacked Doves. So who's not in here? We can add, we'll add some more names here. No problem, no problem. KP Trade. KP Trades. Jonathan, thank you for the super chat again, bro. Man, you're a maniac, bro. Who else was it? TG Cyrus, right? I don't think you were in here. TG Cyrus. Prabin. Prabin Aula. Angia. God bless you. Miss K. And Daily Moves. Trade until you make it. No, I'm not anymore. Is dash IS8YC. Okay, I think we got everybody, and we're gonna clear this, and we'll go with let's do a 12-second race here. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Okay, let's go. This is gonna be a quick one. You ready for the Super Blasters? Good luck, good luck. Who's gonna win? We'll do first and last. We'll give a duck to first and last. First and last gonna get a duck here. Chris? Chris? Chris, are you here? Still? Chris and Garavabagad. Chris. Chris, you here? And Gaurav won. I hope Chris didn't leave. Did he? Yes, you did. Nice. Okay. And I gotta type this name out right. Gaurav. Gaurav. Bagade. Bagade. And 4720. All right, guys. Good job. Congrats, Chris. Let me see.
Howdy there, everybody. My name's Dave. And today
This seems like a good song to finish the stream on.
bought the top.
Oh, guys. Looks like that short's gonna work, Jonathan.
I woke up at the Globex Open, thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang drew me 20 levels.
Although I'm not that convinced yet. We're still at these lows. We kind of need,
Seconds later, I ignored them.
I don't know. We got this bullish fair value gap too. Like, I don't know. I guess this is kind of the only entry right here, right? This would probably be the best, but it's too late for that. That 450 level is probably good, Wicked. Testing along 431. Nice, nice. Did you find Asia London session easier to trade? Yes and no. Yes and no. Alarm money bag chart go down. Thanks, Jonathan. Man, you're really too generous, bro. Couple sound effects there. Thank you for that. Is Bookmap worth it? Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, if you can, it takes a little while to understand it, right? But just knowing where the market is typically going to go, because you can see where the orders are, like, it's pretty hard to beat that kind of information, right? Now, I don't base my trades only on that. I still look at the chart, look for market structure, breaks, stuff like that, and then trade towards those contracts typically. And then usually, maybe take profits before they hit, just so you don't have to sit through big pullback. But yeah. Zara, hey, what an Asian session. Missed a good 15-minute orb break on the MNQ, but ready for London. Yeah, London should bring some sort of move here. We are in a bearish channel, and we are trading outside of the channel now. So, I mean, this thing could end up going lower here. And I would think London could be the time this is going to happen. So, usually trade Asia and London session, but not anymore. Yeah, I mean, it's a mixed bag, in my opinion. It's some days it can be really good. Other days can be super choppy, right? So it's just like any market though, right? See why you're an novice trader? Okay, guys, I really got to get to bed though. I'm only running on about 5 hours sleep, so I got to hit the hay and then be up for tomorrow's session open. So I really need to wrap it up here. So let's do our little shout out on the usual, like to the usual suspects. We got the top 50 traders here, or top 50 chats. Strong support 430 might break. Yeah, it might. Only a little picky with MNQ, still holding long from yesterday. Really? Lost half of the gains overnight. Damn. Okay, thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys hanging out. What a fun stream. We caught some nice trades, some nice longs. You guys saw the Christmas tree. Locked in max profit on my top 1 futures 150K account. So that's a good thing. Got that thing out of drawdown. Anyways, it's not completely out of drawdown, but it's at least above the starting point. So yeah, thanks everybody. Appreciate you. Thanks for all the super chats, Jonathan, man. You really support the channel, and I truly appreciate your support. Thank you for that. Jonathan Stonks, Yo Jim Knob, Wayne, Ryan Entourage, Chris, Wicked Wicks, Reds Everyday Dog Training, Lone Wolf Blue, Randall Paul, Jaded, Kyle Shees, Clee Torres, Blackout News Network, Angia, Jane Bond, 999, John Sanders, My FX Trading, Trade Until You Make It, Glasshopper, Guarav Bagade, I hope I'm saying that right, D-A-Z-Y, Dazzy, maybe, GLaDOS, Wrong Trade Jim, Jerry Trades Futures, Moonboy, Force Fed, TG Cyrus, Raphael Cini, Sebastian Tracy from Surrey, Calico Stray, Adam Daz, Tim Core, Daily Moves, The Elevated Life, Sat, Prabin, Topple Fiddle, Paul Memphis, Trading Game, Czar Trader, Vintage Based, Skill Vortex, ICC Trends, CJS Trading, The Hawk Flies, Halfy for you, Hectron, Keith Matthew, TSF Envision, and Stacked Dubs. You guys rock. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate you guys always being here, hanging out in the stream. What did we do in the end? We got 71 likes. Appreciate that, guys. Appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot for that. And yeah, we'll be live tomorrow morning. So thanks, everybody. Love you. See you on the next one. If I don't see you tomorrow morning, I'll be back again Thursday night for the evening stream. So we'll see you then if I don't see you sometime before then. So love you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Then 18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere and wins the market butcher roll call. Yeah! Another Sunday in the books. Base hits
Matthew Lai, see ya.
stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the butcher gang. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid
Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code if you're ready to ride. Top one futures, got the butchers outside. FVG flips and the VWAP tie. We surviving every session cause we trade it right. NGGBU holding number one. Four feds, EL1 always loading the gun. Yo, Jim Blab in the chat having fun. CBC and stacking XP by the ton. Jane Bond 99 spying out the charts. Tony L 2029 got sniper darts. Lone Wolf Blue 60 straight in after dark. Miss 911 got the whole chat spark. Hard man Peter keep it steady, no kill. Tim Core stack profits built on skill. One Adam 99 got diamond widow. Rang that boy yelling, let's go still. No revenge trade, no emotional crime. Just base hits stacking one trade at a time. If you blew the evil, reload and grind. Cause the butcher gang different from the rest online. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. Brody acted 34 in attack mode. Then Brown 81-6 ticks carrying heavy loads. XIKS move while the market explodes. Randall Paul trader riding bullets roads. Daily candle trades watching every week. Urkin never next calling every flip. Chris G6 never panic clicks. No Wi-Fi 5 fiend got disciplined wrist. Skeletor 619 came out the crypt. Lilish Borko with the MVG scripts. Richard Dowdy A2 steady never slips. Fast so crypto got the crypto tip. Basics. 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 Trade like adults. Trade like adults. Spoon a Canfluence probably buying the dip. Drew 69 Malibu cruising too slick. Fonz 4471 got memes in the clip. Charles Jolly 569 don't quit. Randy trades futures chasing that flow. Trading on me yelling shorty bro. Will 29 steady nice and slow. Adam Dash got another fun to go.
Bye bye, guys. Have a great night. See ya.
Singing this song. Rob Miller, Hagen, staying strong. Mango, M80 where you belong. Just ain't right. Blackout News Network.